So I actually grew up in the Middle East and in Saudi Arabia, so camping was a big part of my childhood, you know, going to the desert every weekend. And when I came to KTJ, one of the things that stuck up to me was like how little light pollution there is. And that's why it made me think that camping here would be really cool, because like you could look up, you could see the stars, and I think that would be really fun.
Yeah.
So dramatic.
Oh shit. I'm trying
Claire,
to fall
sing
asleep.
something.
No, I'm trying to fall
Claire.
asleep. No, you can't Olaf. You can't Olaf. He likes the attention.
I don't know about this way.
Yeah, go. Yeah.
Too dark to see, lah.
Amma, this is your make it happen.
You're supposed to make it happen.
Okay, marshmallows and the stick. Yeah. So just sit around.
What? We have biscuits.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, marshmallows. They kiss. And marshmallows. Yeah, exactly. That's right. True, my place. No, I would never build this one out.
Gross.
I don't know who you're talking to. There's no spark there.
Oh wait, mine is set on fire.
It's good. That makes me chill. Yeah, this is not good.
Okay, I'm gonna remove one more stick.
You probably
She had a delayed reaction.
What color? Yellow.
Whoa, 20-minute vlog.
Yeah, it's 20 minutes. Every part is too fun to not record, I swear.
You've been vlogging for 20 minutes.
I have been vlogging for 20 minutes.
Hi guys, we're trying to open this so you can sleep with some ventilation. Hey guys, so we're about to sleep. It's very dark. We're regretting doing this because we have to wake up for 8 a.m. class, but it is all worth it. I feel it's very nice too. You know, you couldn't see it earlier, but the stars were really pretty, and it's great for bonding. We're gonna sleep now. So bye bye. Good night. See you tomorrow morning.
We're
We're
waking up for
Did you hear that? Did you?